Today's video from Sam4S help.co.uk. We're looking at fractional PLU entry sales on the NR-510R register. So on this machine, standard PLU operation when you're logged in would be to either press a preset PLU that has a price and a description attached to it, or to type in a price and ring it through a variable PLU button. What you can also do using the decimal point and X time button are fractional entries if you're selling maybe fruit and veg by weight or material by length. The way these buttons work is obviously they have to be set up and set up with a price. That price would be a price per kg or price per certain length, and then you type in the amount. So from, say it was 2.5 meters, 2.5, you hit your multiply or X time button here, and then you press the appropriate PLU button. So it's sold 2.5 times our material. It would work the same way with fruit or veg. So you could have, say, 0.4 kg of carrots, for example, providing you press the multiply button, 0.4 multiplied, and then hit your carrots button, and it could work that way. So the key thing is to make sure that the buttons are set up in advance. So it'll work with any split, so you can do 10.3 multiply material, 99.5 multiply carrots. It just depends how you've got the button set up really, and what you charge by, but that's how you can do fractional entries on the NR-510R. Again, with any normal transaction, subtotal to finish, and then crucially you press the correct tender button. So if they're paying by card, you would hit the charge button, or if they're paying by cash, you enter the amount of money tendered without pressing the decimal point, and then hit your cash send button here. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. Got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the NR-500 series. You're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.